In the dynamic world of project management, efficiency is the name of the game. Anything that can accelerate setup, streamline processes, and ensure consistency is a golden ticket for project managers and teams alike. This is where templates come into their own pre-built structures that save you from reinventing the wheel every time you start a new project or process. When considering a versatile tool like ClickUp, a natural and very common question arises. Are ClickUp templates free? As a project management expert, I can confidently tell you that the answer is a resounding yes. Absolutely. ClickUp offers a vast and incredibly useful library of free templates that can significantly jumpstart your project setup and standardize your workflows. This accessibility is a major advantage of ClickUp, making it an attractive option for businesses and teams of all sizes, from solo entrepreneurs to large enterprises. Understanding ClickUp templates. Before diving into the free aspect, let's clarify what ClickUp templates are and why they're so valuable. A ClickUp template is a pre-designed structure that can include task lists, pre-populated tasks and subtasks for common projects or processes, custom fields, specific data points relevant to the template's purpose, e.g., priority, client, budgeted hours, views, pre-configured ways to look at your data, e.g., Gantt charts, Kanban boards, list view, calendar view, tailored to the template's workflow. Automations, preset rules that trigger actions based on certain conditions, e.g., when status changes to complete, notify project manager. Docs and whiteboards, pre-built document structures or collaborative whiteboards for specific needs, e.g., project charters, meeting agendas, brainstorming layouts, checklists, standardized checklists for repetitive tasks. The power of templates lies in their ability to save time, enforce consistency, reduce errors, and ensure that best practices are followed across different projects or within various teams. Instead of building every project from scratch, you simply apply a template and then customize it to your specific needs. Where do you find these free templates? ClickUp makes its templates readily available in several ways, ensuring you can access them when and where you need them. ClickUp Template Center. This is the primary hub. When you create a new space, folder, or list in ClickUp, you'll typically be prompted to choose a template. The Template Center is organized by categories, e.g., marketing, software development, HR, design, sales, finance, personal and use cases, e.g., bug tracking, agile sprints, client management, content calendar. You can browse, preview, and directly apply these templates to your workspace. Community templates. ClickUp also features a robust community template section. Here, users can create and share their own custom templates with the wider ClickUp community. This means you can often find highly specialized templates developed by other users who have faced similar project management challenges. These are also generally free to use. Saving your own templates. Perhaps one of the most powerful free template features is the ability to create your own custom templates from existing spaces, folders, or lists. Once you've perfected a workflow or a project structure that works well for your team, you can save it as a template. This means that your team's unique best practices can be easily replicated for future projects, ensuring consistency and efficiency. This functionality is available to all users, including those on the free forever plan. Are there any paid templates or template limitations? While the vast majority of ClickUp's pre-built and community templates are free, and the ability to create your own templates is available on all plans, there are subtle nuances to consider. Feature availability. A template might include elements, like certain custom fields, advanced automations, or specific views like workload view, that are only available on higher-tier paid ClickUp plans. While you can apply the template, you won't be able to use or fully interact with those specific features unless your workspace is on a plan that supports them. ClickUp will usually notify you if a feature included in a template isn't available on your current plan. Template hubs/marketplaces. Some third-party consultants or agencies might create their own proprietary ClickUp templates and sell them as part of a service offering or on their own marketplaces. These are not ClickUp's native templates, but rather custom creations by external parties. For the purpose of using ClickUp's own extensive library of templates, and for creating your own, you will not encounter any direct costs. The free aspect is genuine and generous. Why free templates are a game changer for project managers. From a project management perspective, the availability of free templates in ClickUp is incredibly beneficial. Rapid project kickoff. No more staring at a blank slate. Templates provide an immediate structure, allowing you to launch new projects much faster. This reduces the setup time, overhead, and lets teams dive into productive work sooner. Standardization and consistency. For organizations that manage multiple similar projects, e.g., client onboarding, marketing campaigns, software development sprints, templates ensure that every project follows the same best practices, processes, and data collection methods. This leads to more reliable outcomes and easier reporting across projects. Reduced errors. By using predefined workflows and fields, the chance of forgetting crucial steps or omitting important information is significantly reduced. Learning and best practices. For new users or those looking to improve their project management skills, exploring ClickUp's templates can be an educational experience. They often embody common industry best practices for specific project types. You can learn how others structure their work and adapt those ideas. Scalability. As your team grows, templates become indispensable for quickly onboarding new team members and ensuring they adhere to established operational procedures without extensive training from scratch. Focus on value add. By automating the setup process, project managers can free up valuable time to focus on strategic planning, risk management, stakeholder communication, and problem-solving, the areas where human expertise truly makes a difference.